Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. We have learned that how to convert or how to write the numbers in words. Today we will learn that how to write the numbers in digits or figures. The first one is 9,278,000. 9 million, we will write 9 in the million column. 278,000. 200, we will write 2 in the 100,000 column and 78,000. And in the rest of the columns, we will put zeros. This is 9,278,000. The second one is 31,400,402. We will write 31 in the tens million column. 31,400,000. 400,000. 402. We will put 4 in the 100 column. 402. This is 31,400 and 400,402. Copy the rest of the questions in your notebook and solve them as a first activity. This is your home activity. Copy question number 5 and 8 from your book page number 4 and solve them in your copies. Thank you students. God bless you. Have a nice day.